Assalamu alaikum. This is Sohel Rana again. So I am working today in one board for the GS control unit. So this board have particularly problem is no power up. So after I remove, I have a special power supply. You can see here this power supply. So this power supply, I already figure out when the power on, when the board is boot up or not. So if I put power supply, how many milliamps they must be taken. If not taken any milliamps, there is maybe some defected power IC or some parts here burned. So today I am repairing this board. I found it one capacitor. Okay, one capacitor here you can see this ceramics capacitor. Okay, so this ceramics capacitor I already replaced it. The 50 volt capacitor Eros, the part number is 471551. So another one is one diode here. One diode is short circuit. This also ceramics diode, and then one transformer is tiny transformer is burn out. Here you can see the transformer is burn out. So before I give power, here you can see my setup here. I put little wire to only check if the power is on or no. So when I connect it, there is a 0 amps they take it. So when I put ignition, there is a ignition key here, terminal 15. So I touch up with positive. Here you can see the volt they take it 10 milliamps. So here it is okay. If there is taken 10 milliamps, the board is boot up. So after fix it, I have to try my simulator, then it will check everything is okay or not. But I definitely know the board, the motherboard is already boot up. Okay, so here you can see there is a power section here, between here until here. So I can show you one clear board. Here I have one board here. This is clear board here. So this is the particularly power IC, power management IC. Okay, all power consumed here, they will detect this board here, this board. Okay, here this is the power IC. Okay, so there is a 5 volt section here. Here you can see this is the 5 volt section here. Okay, and then this is the diode. When I put battery wrong connection, it will help to burn up the fuse. Okay, so there is a CAN protection. There is a CAN IC here. You can see this is the CAN IC here. Okay, so the particularly this I right now working this board has only problem in no power up the boot. The board is no power up. So I already replace 3 part, one diode here, one transformer small, and a capacitor. It's already boot up this GS control unit. The version is 05. Thank you for watching.